Danny's been cleaning up these headlights. She's using what we picked up for the boat, Meguiars 67, and it is really making a difference to remove the oxidation for the headlights. So she's been doing that, and it works similar to Crest, but if you have it lying around, it is a great option to clean up your headlights, get them all shiny and new. I wish I had a before picture, because she cleaned that with another project we had, and then she was going back with the Meguiars, and just so much better.
Yeah, it just took all the yellowing off.
So
It's like pretty squeaky, you know.
it's squeaky and clean. Looks brand new. Looks like a brand new lens. So Meguiars 67 will work for your boat needs and your headlights on your car.